and today we're gonna roll out a bale using our Butler bale bed. I'm Tyler Kijac, and this is TK Pro Rodeo.
The wildest show in the West.
Yeah. All right, so I'm all squared up to my bale. I got my remote here. It's really simple for a simple guy. In, out, up and down. We're gonna back up and hook onto her. Rolling a bale out with a Butler bale bed, the waste is dramatically less than feeding in round bale rings. It's the only way that I would ever suggest feeding round hay. Okay, let's let these heifers out and eat this.
Hey, buddy.
All right, so right here we're feeding this little trap of cattle. I don't want to put out a full 1,200 pound bale, so I rolled them out about a quarter bale, which we figured is about 300 pounds. I'm gonna roll into the next trap and roll some more out. That's one of the perks for us of rolling out this round bale, is we can split it up between all of our little pastures as we go. I just like partnering with businesses that, you know, are highly involved in the ag community. They care about making things better. And for what I used to do, you know, hand rolling this stuff out and using the round bale feeders, the bale bed is the only way to efficiently feed hay in the wintertime. Hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe while you're there. Look for us in a town near you. TK Pro Rodeo, the wildest show in the West.